Well, I'm not sure what happened then.
Yeah, slippery log.
No. Oh, the tree root slipperiness.
Oh, but I think you started slipping on that one as well, or maybe it was the rear on that and the front on that.
Yes,
But I thought you were kind of going down.
like that. I had the Billy Bolt concept attack, but there was not enough attack commitment, I don't think.
Ah. And he's...
Yeah! Perfect! Perfect!
It was easier and less energy sapping to just get the fuck over it.
Good. Well done. I should have listened to you.
I think someone was doing extra greasy oil pouring last night.
Yes. I think I crashed last time I rode your bike over this.
Yes, you kind of fell down there because I stood on this side to spot you.
Yeah.
But is it a bit drier or a bit more cleared or something?
I think it's big holes falling out of the front of it somehow.
Where do you want me? Just completely out of the way?
Not sure yet. Maybe the low side.
You're a star. That was my...
So what happened there was I got through one log, then I was on the back wheel at the second log, and then the back wheel walked down that log, put me on the ground like that. Number 3, I think. Or is it 4? Nope. I think I locked my rear brake and stalled.
Oh, okay.
Or I pushed the front and...
The Superman sort of thing over to there.
No. It's strange. I go round the log down and over the log up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, it's not strange.
Yeah.
Hey, how do I adjust the idle? Because it feels like even when I've got the clutch in, it's still wanting to...
Run on. Shit, Philip. Fuck. What are you doing? Where's your balance, buddy? Where's your balance? Stand onto the right. We better film it just in case. A nice introduced species here, Lantana. Nice.
Where's that gully take us?
Yeah,
Can you ride the gully?
in the Lantana. You'll be fine, Pete. You'll get up there easy. Especially as you run into it.
Come in.
Yeah, second gear, bit of clutch halfway up.
Whoa, that was spectacular. I think he needs us all here. Definitely going to the main road. Yeah, the little bounce was fucking riding like a stuff.
Make it a metre before I fell into the creek. I didn't dab though. It was a whole body dab.
I think throwing my bike on the ground just then is probably a dab as well.